What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Today is not going to be my normal POV videos. This is an unboxing video. I just purchased a carbon fiber GT wing. I will link the wing in the description below if any of you guys want to check it out. But today is just an unboxing, and then I'll do a follow-up video with the wing when it's installed in the car. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get into it. With a kit to install the wing, so you don't need to buy any of the parts to install it. So that's another good thing about this company. Okay guys, this is the carbon fiber swan neck GT wing. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a close-up so you can see that it is in fact carbon fiber and the way it looks up close. It's gonna look really good on the car. Like I said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will be doing an update video with the wing on the car in about maybe the next week or so, but it will be soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.